Gavaskar. Gavaskar is my favorite sportsman. His full name is Sunil Gavaskar. He is one of the greatest cricketer in the world. He was born in Mumbai. As a student, he played cricket for St. Xavier's School and College. He was encouraged by his parents and his uncle Mr. Madhav Mantri, who also was a famous cricketer. He played for Mumbai in several Ranji Trophy matches. He also captained the Mumbai cricket team. He began his Test career during the West Indies tour of 1971. He scored 774 runs in the first series of his career, and that too against the might fast bowler of the West Indies. After that, he never looked back. He captained the Indian cricket team in several tests at home and abroad. Sunil was the first cricketer to score over 10,000 runs and have 34 test countries. Recently, Brian Lara has equaled and Sachin Tendulkar has broken his world record of test countries. Gavaskar played 125 tests and was an opener and a good fielder in the slip. He took 108 catches. He is a devoted cricketer, and even after his retirement, he is busy in the world of cricket. He is a famous cricketer, commentator, and critic. He wrote several books on cricket. His books, Idols, Sunny Days, One Day Wonder, and Runs and Ruins, receive great popularity in the world. He is popularly known as Sunny and Little Master. He is great hero of the cricket field and inspired many a cricketer in India. Thank you.